Hey guys, it's Anthony Cuno with the Bergamini Group, Northern Arizona, Keller Williams. Wanted to show you a new property that's going to be coming up in the next couple days, 1150 Paar Drive. I'll do a quick walkthrough for you. Nice big yard. It's at the end of a dead-end street. Real quiet, very close to downtown. Only about a 5-minute drive. About 1,800 square feet. New roof in 2014. So kitchen, dining area, real big laundry room, into a giant walk-in pantry here. Good sized living room, really well kept, nice tile floor throughout. I'll take you to the backyard here in a sec. 3-bed, 2-bath, kind of a split floor plan. You got 2 bedrooms here, updated carpet, good sized rooms, real big closets, extra deep. And then back here is the master, huge master, nice vaulted ceilings, a lot of natural light in here. Dual vanity, walk-in closet here, nice big closet, lots of storage. Has access to the backyard. Nice back patio. Great size yard. And it actually has storage shed back here. Lots of storage, garden area, and a carport. All right, guys, this is Anthony Cuno with Keller Williams, 1150 Paar Drive here. If you want to see this house, I'll sell you this house. It's going to be a steal. Hit me up at 928-899-8307 or at anthony@everythingprescott.com.